channel. This is Mehak Khemka and I hope you all are doing good. So in this video I'll be showing you my basic t-shirt collection that I recently got from Ajio. You should invest in basic outfits cause they look super classy and chic. So yeah, all the clothes that I'll be showing you in this video are super affordable, so you won't regret watching this video. And yeah, if you are new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button cause that's the only motivation I need right now. And if you have already subscribed, you can ask your friends and family members to subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And yeah, now without wasting more time, let's get into the video. So I'll be starting with my favorite things. So the first thing I got is this pink sweatshirt. It has white stripes on it. The reason I got this cause now first of all winter is coming and this is my first full sleeves t-shirt. And also I'm just loving its color, like this baby pink color is so good. And the material is woolen. The reason this is my favorite cause its material is super soft and very comfortable. I already wore this twice or thrice. Yeah, that's the reason I'm loving this sweatshirt.
And this is how it looks on me. Don't you think this is looking super cute? I am just loving this sweatshirt a lot. And this color is just also perfect. Also, it's perfect for all seasons, so you should definitely grab this one.
The second thing I got is this sweatshirt. Again, one more sweatshirt. And this is white in color and it has colorful stripes like this. The sleeves is not full sleeves. This is like a 7/4 sleeves. That's the only difference it has. And the material and all of the stuff are same, and I would highly recommend you to buy this sweatshirt cause they are really very soft and comfortable and you can wear this even in summer.
As you can see, the sleeves is little short but the stripes look so good, and you can pair this with any kind of bottom as per your choice, and I am definitely going to buy this kind of sweatshirts more.
So the next thing I got is this top. It has this nice net detailing on the front upper side and also on the sleeves, and this is how it looks. The rest of the top is plain and I just love to wear this simple little detailing kind of top. This looks super good on daily basis. Like you can wear this on daily basis, and pairing this kind of top with jeans is really a very good idea, and this color is also very unique.
This is how it looks after wearing. This net detailing is simply so attractive. You can tuck this in your jeans or fold it to make it look like a crop top. Also, the sleeves look damn classy. This is basically simple top with some net work, which is really giving a spark to this top.
So the next thing I got is the one right now I am wearing. So this is the plain, not a plain but a typographic t-shirt, and it has the Beach 35 written on it, and the typography is very colorful. That's the reason I'm loving it. Also, I don't have this color t-shirt, so that's the reason I got this. And yeah, it's a basic t-shirt for daily wear and the material is very comfortable and soft, and I just love to wear this round neck t-shirt.
I'm just loving the color of the top and this suits on me. Also, investing in basic t-shirt is always a good idea cause you can wear this anytime and anywhere cause they look super classy. Also, the main thing about t-shirts are they are damn comfortable.
The next t-shirt I got is this yellow color t-shirt. It has this beach print on it. And I don't know, this material is not that soft as compared to this one, so this is like a okay for me, and rest of the thing is okay. The color is also good, and I don't know why this t-shirt looks so long, like this is so long, and yeah, I'm not that satisfied with the t-shirt, but it's okay.
This is how it looks on me. I don't know, but I am not satisfied with this cause the material is not that soft as compared to the other t-shirts, and this color is good but doesn't look that amazing on me. Overall, it's a okay for me.
So the next thing I got is this pink top, and this is how it looks. It is super plain and it has just this detailing on the sleeve side, as you can see. and yeah, this is how it looks. I'm not loving this top at all because this detailing doesn't look that good and appealing. Because of this extra detailing of net on the lower side of the sleeves, the length of the sleeves has increased and this doesn't look good at all. So that's the reason I'm not loving this top. And rest of the thing is okay, like the material is also soft, good, and the color is also good.
So this is what it looks after wearing, and I am not loving its sleeves at all. I am too lazy to go through the return process. That's the reason I am keeping this top, and let's see if I can do something of it, and the rest of the stuff is okay with this top.
So the last thing I got is this t-shirt. This is in the grey color and I just love this grey color, I don't know why. And also it has written this amazing in the sequence, and the next to amazing is written in the printed, and I just love this top, I don't know why, but this looks super cute and this detailing is just adding a spark to this top. And yeah, you can wear this on a daily basis with pairing with your jeans.
Don't you think this top looks super amazing just as same written on it? This detailing is just adding spark to this basic t-shirt, and I'm just loving this t-shirt a lot. This basic t-shirt with some small detailing looks so good.
And all the material of these clothes are super soft and comfortable except that yellow one. So that was it for my basic collection. I hope you enjoyed this video and you love this basic collection. If you want to buy, you can just go in the description box and get the link of the tops. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below and let me know which was your favorite top. Like mine was that pink sweatshirt. What was your favorite top? And share it with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and also do follow me on Instagram, and see you in next video. Bye.